Cursive writing can be a beautiful and personal form of expression. Have fun with it. Getting started with cursive is exciting. Here are a few tips to get you flowing smoothly. Don't try to connect every letter right away. Practice individual lowercase letters first. Focus on their basic shapes and strokes. Pay close attention to the starting and ending points of each letter. These connections are key to smooth transitions. Aim for a uniform slant in your letters. This gives your writing a graceful and consistent look. Use a relaxed grip and apply light pressure. This will help you write more fluidly and prevent hand fatigue. Imagine your pen gliding across the page. Try to connect letters in one continuous stroke whenever possible. Many cursive letters involve loops. Practice making consistent and well-formed loops. Leave appropriate space between words so your writing is easy to read. Start by tracing cursive letters and words. This helps your hand get used to the movements. Lined paper, especially paper with slant lines, can be very helpful in maintaining consistency. Don't rush. Focus on forming each letter correctly. Speed will come with practice. Learning cursive takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if it feels awkward at first. Even short, consistent practice sessions are more effective than infrequent long ones. Look at examples of good cursive handwriting. Pay attention to how the letters are formed and connected. As you become more comfortable, you'll naturally develop your own unique cursive style.